Hey guys, welcome to SkyClan RC. My name is Nihal and this is Calvin. So today we have with us Optimus.
Optimus Prime?
Nah. No, this is not the Optimus Prime. This is a 4th DIY plane, Optimus.
What's new in this?
Well, it is a 4-channel mid-wing sport flyer. This is a crazy flying airplane. You fly it once, you love it forever. Free built-in plans are available in our website. Download your Optimus plan, build one and rule the sky.
So can I build one and fly it?
No, it is not a beginner-friendly airplane. It is an intermediate mid-wing sport flyer. You can try some 3D with this.
3D? Glasses?
No, it's not that. You can 3D such as you can try to hover it. You can go for low passes, some knife edges cut and some inverted flying as well.
So what's so special so that it can fly inverted?
The wing of the Optimus plays a major role. As you can see in the wing, it is a symmetric airfoil. So this is basically about our airfoil. So now let's get back to the fuselage. Fuselage is basically designed to take up some crashes. So now as far as the build is concerned, you can see it is basically made of 2 layers.
So can I build this?
Yes, every beginner can build this plane as the design is very simple. There are no curvy edges as such. Everything is straightforward cuts. You don't have to have any complex cuts as such. It's very simple. Now coming back to the characteristics of this airplane. This is an intermediate airplane and you need not be a 3D pilot to fly this. It even flies great. There is a heavy wind. It also can handle gust. Tapered wing design makes it more slicker and can cruise at a really good speed. So guys, that pretty much covers up everything about Optimus. You can check out the build at the end of the video. So now what's the wait for? Let's get back to flying.
Yeah!
So guys, let's put Optimus into the air. Because of its mid-wing design, the motors align perfectly with the wing, so you get a perfect roll. You need not give much of elevator inputs for rolling in a single axis. It's recommended to use 1000 to 1200 kV motor with the 3-cell to 4-cell setup. You can use 8-inch prop for a 4-cell setup. I'm using 10-inch prop with the 3-cell setup. To get some 3D flying, you have to go for a 4-cell setup. So let me try doing a knife edge. Even inverted flyings are very simple guys because of its symmetrical mid-wing. Inverted flyings are quite easy. No excess amount of back pressure is required for inverted flyings. So that's a perfect inverted. I'm literally not giving any sort of back pressure. So now let's land this airplane. Oh, dog's loving the plane guys. Even you should love it. So build one today guys.
So now let's build the Optimus. Firstly, let's build the fuselage. Cut out the parts from the plan and take out the fuselage cutout. Do double bevel cuts on the folds and tape the other end to avoid tears. Now take the fuselage doubler and glue it aligning to the airfoil slot. Also glue the tail doubler. Now take the formers, the former number 1 and the former number 2 and glue it in the slot. Also take the two Depron motor mounts, stack them together and glue it in the slot in the nose. Now fold the fuselage side walls and check if everything fits fine, and then apply glue and hold it firmly until it gets dried. Now glue the tail bottom and nose bottom hatch. Also glue the tail top hatch. Now take the vertical and the horizontal stabilizer and make single bevel cuts and tape the other end to avoid tears. Now insert the vertical stabilizer to the slot in the horizontal stabilizer and glue it together. Insert the entire thing into the slot in the tail and glue it. Now we are done with the fuselage. Let's build the wing. Firstly, cut out and do double bevel cuts at the leading edge of the wing, and do single bevel cuts for the aileron hinges. Now stack the wooden spar in between Depron spar and glue them together. Make sure to use hobby grade plywood or any equivalent rigid spar. Now apply glue into the double bevel cuts and fold it. Apply glue on the top of the spar and the end of the bottom surface of the wing and hold it firmly until the glue dries. Now the wing is ready. Now carefully insert the wing in the slot provided in the fuselage and make sure to center the wing in place. Glue the wing firmly. Installing the servos are simple. You can check out our previous videos for servo installation. Link is given in the description box below. So the Optimus is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Do give a thumbs up if you like the video and please consider subscribing to us for more content like this. Thank you guys. See you next time.